Hello, and thank you for checking out the Witnet technology preview. We're excited to share with you the early features we plan to implement with our Witnet Lite client, Sheikah. First, let us give you a bit of background on Witnet and the problems we're solving. Up until now, smart contracts were completely isolated from the rest of the internet. We call this the Oracle problem. With Witnet, this won't be a problem anymore. Witnet is a decentralized Oracle network. Witnet connects smart contracts to any online data source, such as sports results, stock prices, weather statistics, or even other blockchains. Basically, anything that can be accessed via API. The protocol works thanks to a distributed network of nodes called witnesses, who earn WIT tokens as a reward for retrieving data and delivering it directly to smart contracts. This, along with our reputation system for network participants, helps Witnet ensure more consistent data quality for requesters. Our technology will enable smart contract developers to build complex, mission-critical apps with Oracle data for the first time. Now, let's get into using Sheikah. Sheikah is a lightweight Electron app which will eventually serve as a full interface for the Witnet blockchain, wallet, data requests, smart contracts, block explorer, and more. While the full testnet and subsequent mainnet are yet to come on our development roadmap, we wanted to give our community a good idea of what interacting with the Witnet decentralized Oracle network would feel like. As we progress through this demo, please note that there are several views within Sheikah which are not developed yet and are not yet clickable. Anyone can try Sheikah technology preview themselves by going to our Sheikah GitHub repo linked below and following the instructions for installation. With just a few simple command line prompts, you can be up and going as well. Upon startup, you will be greeted with a welcome screen prompting you to create your wallet. To anyone who has used web or desktop wallets before, this will be a familiar process. We use a wallet creation process which includes generating mnemonic seed phrases and a password to generate the wallet and encrypt it locally. The wallet is not connected to a network yet, so we have created an option for you to create a wallet with pre-filled data, as you'll see here. This will give you some pre-filled fields and data points within the wallet screens, so you will have a better idea of how the wallet will appear and function once connected to the actual network. Of course, security and safety are an utmost concern of ours, so we encourage users to practice safe private key and password management. We won't store your keys on our end, and we won't be able to restore your account or help you do so if you lose access to your mnemonic seed phrase, your private key, and your password. Once you create and verify your seed phrase and password, you will land in the wallet view of Sheikah. In the Transactions tab, you'll see a list of all transactions, incoming, outgoing, pending, as well as timed lock tokens you may be in possession of. You can also view your overall balance and additional details about WIT tokens, which are vesting over time. Within the Receive tab section of the wallet, you are able to generate addresses within the payment request feature. These payment requests all generate unique public key addresses and store information locally about the type of request you're making and their funding status. The send view is also straightforward and standard as you would expect. We allow you to label outgoing transactions as well to keep track of them. You will be able to adjust your transaction fees as well from within this view. Next up is the smart contract view, which has a variety of functionalities planned that will enable users to be able to easily build, customize, save, and deploy their smart contracts to the Witnet blockchain. One of the ways we enable this is through having a templates tab, which allows users to select from popular or saved smart contract types, such as multi-sig contracts or automatic API data payout. In addition to this, you will see a GUI which enables the intuitive build-out of smart contract logic using a drag and drop interface. In Sheikah, you are also able to create data requests, which are asking the Witnet decentralized Oracle network for attestations to specific data points that you need for your smart contracts. We will have templates available to users who wish to create standard data requests that have been proven and used by other reputable Witnet users. When launching a data request, you ask the network for trustless verification of the data points you're interested in retrieving. This avoids feeding a smart contract data from a centralized provider. The code editor in the data request view gives you an idea of what data requests would look like at their fundamental level. If you have ever written an API GET request, you will recognize our format here. The attestation logic allows you to verify across a single source or multiple sources. The number of sources being pulled from is entirely up to the user's discretion. Delivery clauses allow you to specify how the data will be consumed. You will be able to send the data to an Ethereum smart contract, host it to your URL, among many other options. We are very excited to share our technical preview with you, and we hope you will play with it and give us your feedback. You can stay engaged with our development process by dropping into any of our social channels, including Twitter, Telegram, or GitHub. As stated in our public roadmap, we intend to have a testnet ready for public use come Q1 2019, and will aim for a mainnet launch in late 2019 as well. Thank you for dropping by, and please let us know if you have any questions in the comments below.